to Top Secure Alarm Lock. Let me introduce Alarm Disc Lock to you.
Let me show you how it's works. Lock at this brake and press down the lock. Hear the sound. Now it's armed. So now the alarm disc lock is armed. If someone who conduct illegal activities and tamper with lock, the 3-ear beeps will sound as warning. If continue doing it without 30 seconds, the alarm disc lock will immediately sound 110 beeps alarm for 10 seconds. Once it's stopped tampered with, the alarm system will automatic with there are 4 special keys with high technology. It is to prevent duplicate easily. The warranty is invalid if the sticker is broken. This padlock uses 6 buttons of LR44 batteries to operate, an average battery life of 6 months. You may replace a new batteries if the alarm sounds are weak. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew 4 screws. Please put the alarm disc lock on the table and open the lock body slowly. Remove the old battery from cartridge. Replace the new batteries and it is that simple. Tighten back the screw. And the battery replacement process has been complete. Top Secure Alarm Lock is your first choice to deterring thieves.